Hey there! Welcome to another video where we tackle a problem that many web developers encounter. Today, our focus revolves around achieving full bleeds within a grid setup. Full bleeds refer to displaying an item from edge to edge on the viewport, and we want to make this happen while utilizing grid instead of absolute positioning. Now, diving into the solution, we explore a clever approach that involves leveraging margin calculations. By setting variables and using margin inline in a strategic manner, we can enable the item with the class full bleed to span both the design grid and wrapper grid seamlessly. This technique allows us to maintain the desired grid structure without overly complicating the layout. Continuing with the solution, we delve deeper into the CSS code provided. The use of variables like W for defining the maximum width, alongside calculated margins, ensures that the full bleed item aligns perfectly with the viewport edges. Additionally, the grid settings and class styling enhance the overall structure, facilitating a seamless visual experience for users. Summarizing the discussed approach, we've effectively resolved the initial problem of achieving full bleeds within a grid setup without resorting to absolute positioning. By intelligently utilizing margin calculations and CSS properties, we've created a visually pleasing layout that enhances the user's viewing experience. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts.